In this video, I'm going to show you how to register a fixed asset in Xero. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Accounting up top, and you want to click on Fixed Assets. To register a new fixed asset, you now want to click in the top right where it says New Asset. And from here, you want to basically put in the details, okay? So first, it's asset name. I'm going to name this one sample because it's going to be a tutorial. Here you have the asset number, the purchase date, and then the purchase price as well. Then you have the asset type. I'm just going to put this as, for example, computer equipment over here. And then, of course, you want to do like warranty expiry if you have it. I'm just going to do it like that. Then the serial number as well. You can put that in here. And of course, the region. Then you have description. So this is a sample is what I'm going to write here. And then, of course, you have like different things you have to put in here as well. So the depreciation method, the averaging methods over here, and then of course here you have like different things you have to put in. So up to you, you can take your time and actually kind of put this in here, and then you can either save this as a draft or register it. So I'm going to click on register over here, and if there's any errors or of course some missing fields, it's going to notify you and you'll have to basically redo them. But essentially for me, as you can see, everything went well and I've successfully registered a fixed asset in Xero. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.